Hi friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel Health, Wellness and Fun. My name is Pratyusha. Thank you so much for your lovely response on my PCOS video. Many girls reached out to me, they said the video was really helpful. Thank you so much. That is my main objective of starting this channel, to provide useful information, the information which I know, and share it with you all. I'm glad it is helping. In today's video, we are going to discuss basics of weight loss. Before we go into the video, if you haven't clicked on the subscribe button yet or you're new here, please click on the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Also like and share with your friends. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the basics of weight loss. Because generally when I make videos, people reach out to me, they ask me, can you give us some diet, or what is the diet you follow, what you eat in a day, or these kind of things. I just want to say that there is no one size fits all. Weight loss is not something I come and say to you, eat this food you will lose weight, or you don't eat that food you will lose weight. It just generally depends on each person's body. It's very personal to each of them how they lose weight. So I thought I should make this video to explain basics of weight loss and how weight loss works. Many of you might be already aware of these basics, but then there are many of us who are still not aware. I was not aware. I learned about all this only from past 3-4 years. So if you know anybody who's struggling to lose weight or is in the journey of weight loss, or PCOS, PCOD or thyroid issues, please share this video with them. It might be helpful. I might just add a drop in the ocean, I don't know. So let's get into the video. Before we start our weight loss journey, it is very important for us to understand a concept called TDEE. TDEE is total daily energy expenditure. That is the amount of energy your body will burn in order for you to survive. TDEE consists of components like thermal effect of your food, that is 10% of the energy is spent on digestion of your food, and other one is physical exercise and how active you are, you move around, and your vital organs functioning, and other important aspect to it is BMR, that is basic metabolic rate. So before you start your weight loss journey, it is very important for you to calculate BMR, what is your BMR and what is your TDEE. Many of you would have already done this, but I'm explaining it to you again. BMR is a basic metabolic rate, that is how much of energy does your body require just for it in a rest state, or maybe like a coma state, just to lie there without doing any function. That is BMR. And how do you calculate the BMR? Very simple, go to Google and you just type calculate BMR as I'm showing here. Let me take an example here of a female of 5'4" height and 30 years of age and weight 145 pounds. It gives me the total BMR, that is total energy that is required for this person just to be in a coma state or a rest state. Next, coming to TDEE, how much total energy your body needs per day. And to calculate this, before going to TDEE, you should not only give your height, age, weight, you also need to specify your activity level, that is whether you don't necessarily do any exercise at all, or you do a light exercise or moderately light exercise, or a very active person or an athletic kind of person. It is very important for you to be very honest when you are calculating it. Generally, we overestimate ourselves when we are giving activity level. What we think might be very active, or active might not generally be active. So you should be very honest when you assess. Again, as how we calculated BMR, you can just go to Google, type calculate TDEE, and then you can give your height, weight and other factors. Here I'm using an example of woman, height 5'4" and weight of 145 pounds, and I'm calculating the TDEE for this person, assuming 3 days a week exercise. Now, what is the amount of energy that is displayed is the total amount of energy you need per day with this much of physical activity and your BMR. Now, the consumption of your calories, if it is equal to this TDEE, will maintain your weight. If it is less than this TDEE, will result in a weight loss. It is as simple as that. Calorie deficient will take you to weight loss, and maintaining the equal calories will keep you in same weight. Now, how do you decide on how do you make an effort to make calorie deficit? First thing you need to put your focus on is thermal effect of food. Thermal effect of food is like, for example, 1 gram of carbohydrate might contain 4 grams of calories, okay, and 1 gram of protein might also contain 4 calories. So actually, if you see here, you are intaking same amount of calorie, but the amount of energy spent on digesting this protein is more than amount of energy spent in digesting this carbohydrate. Hence, you are burning more calories when you consume protein, and you are burning less calories when you are consuming a carbohydrate. Hence, it is very important and very vital to have a list of foods that you consume and calories associated with it, and keep your diet protein rich, because the amount of energy you are spending on digesting protein is more. Another example I can give is, maybe a burger is around 140 calories maybe, and for same amount you are having a protein shake. But the protein shake adds more nutrients into your body and also takes more time to digest than the burger you are eating, which might digest very quickly, and the amount of energy is not spent, and you will feel hungry very soon, and the protein will keep you satiated for a longer period of time. Another way of going into calorie deficit is having an exercise routine. It is very important to have a good exercise routine. So don't eat very less than your TDE or go into extreme exercise routine at once. Start by reducing 100 calories a week, and then proceeding it to 200 and then to 300. You will start seeing changes. First, you will observe that your clothes fit better, you have inch loss, and then you go on scale and see if you are losing weight. Moreover, overall, you should feel very good about yourself, and you should not feel lethargic, you should feel active. So let us summarize the basics of weight loss that we discussed today. BMR is the basic metabolic rate, which is amount of energy required for your body to be in rest state. TDEE is the amount of energy per day you need to spend for your body, considering your physical activity, your food intake, and also your BMR. Third point is, be very wise in choosing your food, because the amount of energy spent on certain foods to digest certain foods is less than or more than some other foods. So keep your food protein rich. Fourth point, have an exercise routine so that you will have a calorie deficient. Fifth point, you should be in calorie deficient to lose weight, that is, amount of energy consumed is equal to TDEE. Then you maintain your weight less than TDEE, you will go into weight loss. Start slow, proceed by reducing calorie deficit by 100, 200 and 300. Don't overdo it, or don't go all at once. There are many apps for you to track your food intake, exercise, and then calculate. I personally like MyFitnessPal app. It has most of our Indian foods. Even my trainer suggested that app. I had tried other apps as well, but I always come back to MyFitnessPal, where I record my food diary, what I eat in a day and how much exercise I do, so that I have an idea of what is going on in my body. It is very important for you to maintain a food diary if you are on a weight loss journey, or if you are trying to cure your PCOS or your thyroid issues. It is very important to maintain a food diary. Write down what you intake and what is the amount of exercise you are doing, so that you get an idea of your calorie deficit, and you know where you are going in your weight loss journey. I hope you have found this video useful. If you do, please click on the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for encouraging me and watching me. I will ensure to provide you with valuable content which I have benefited immensely. Until we meet next time, stay safe and take care.